Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, I bring you guys another user requested live wallpaper and home screen setup, this time for our one punch hero, Saitama. This is going to be another one in my series on how to customize your home screen like a pro. A series where I show you how you can easily and quickly get these stunning minimalistic setups on your Android phones. So if you haven't already, make sure you check out the previous episodes. And following that format, I'm going to show you how you can take a basic home screen setup and turn it into something like this. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any video requests or suggestions. So here he is, raring to go, Saitama, sporting his original manga red cape. Along with this setup, I'm going to show you how you can grab this epic ringtone. This setup will be running Nova Launcher using KWGT widgets, and to complete the look, I'll be using the Hex installer for system-wide customization. The link for these and everything else that you're going to need are going to be in the description below. Now, as a quick note, if you want that full screen edge to edge look for your home screen setup without those ugly signal bars, then make sure you disable the notification bar within Nova Launcher settings. So jumping right into it, the icon pack that we're using in this setup is the black and yellow pack. And here, to make it stand out, I've added a vibrant red dock backdrop matching the colors of the theme. Just simply head into Nova's look and feel settings to change the icon pack. Then head into Nova's home screen settings, dock, then the dock background section. Now this is where we can customize the color, shape and transparency of the backdrop. So let's start by rounding off the edges and enable padding. Next, we want to change the color to a nice vibrant red. The color code that I used is on screen now. And finally, make sure to set transparency to 13%. And before we go any further, make sure you grab this unique wallpaper from my very own custom creation app. Just simply head to the live video section and you'll find it there. And remember, if you have any wallpaper suggestions of your own, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Next up, that simplistic KWGT widget on the right of the screen, indicating the date is number 36, courtesy of the watermelon pack. Just simply load it in, then resize and reposition it so it's on the right hand side. And make sure to remove the padding to get it even closer to the edge. Now before we move on to the system-wide customization with the hex codes, let's grab ourselves that epic ringtone. For this, we're going to head into the app Zedge. This app is going to give you access to a wide array of ringtones, wallpapers and notification sounds. Now just head into ringtones and search for One Punch Man. Just simply use the play button to preview any of the items here. And once you've found something that you like, just follow the steps to set it as your system sounds. Just remember to allow the app the permissions that it needs to run properly. This app has been around for a good few years now, so it has a massive library of sounds to pick from. So make sure you have a browse around. And wrapping up this setup, we're using Hex installer. This is going to give you a nice AMOLED friendly black backdrop with red and yellow hues matching the theme splashed across the whole system, including the notification panel. Just use the color codes that I'm showing on screen. And alternatively, you can get a similar result using the app One Shade. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And if you have any theme suggestions or requests, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.